Good morning, students. After nomination of candidates, now we are going to read the content election campaign. Okay, and in election, main purpose of the election to give people a chance to choose the representative. Okay, through election we are going to choose our representative, and government and policy they prefer which government, which party's government we want, we give the vote to particular party. Okay, and by that your political party comes and form a government. Okay, and free and open discussion about who is better representative, which party will make a better government. Okay, everyone comes to the voter to give us vote, and we will do for the betterment of you people. If you have any problem, we are going to solve the problem, and if there will be a need to pass any bill, make a law, we will do. कि this is what happened during the election campaign, कि all they have earlier, they also give the election manifesto to the people कि if our government will be there, then we will do the work for you, these type of work we will do for you. In example, you take the example of Lok Dal in Haryana, what promises they have given to the people. Okay, and in election campaign they are going to campaigning 2 week period between, कि take place for a 2 week period between the announcement of the final list of the candidate, when list represent the in the society and by the election commission कि date is fixed for the election so and so. Okay, and a 2 week period place for a 2 week period between announcement of final list कि date of polling, इलेक्शन होने से 2 वीक पहले जो है वो अपनी कंपेनिंग दे हैव गोइंग टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन कंपेनिंग की पीरियड कैंडिडेट कॉन्टेक्ट देयर वोटर्स एंड इम्प्रेस देम. Political leader address election. You know about that. Your Modi, Amit Shah, and other Congress leaders also all address the meeting with the people. Always they give the speech to the people कि if you give us the vote, then we will do the work for you people. Political meetings, party also organize political meetings, mobilize their supporters also going to the voters and attract them to give the vote of particular party. Okay, this one is a election campaign, they are going to represent themselves there. Okay, this is also the period when newspaper and television news all full of election related stories, debate हो रहे हैं कि this we will give the chance to particular this party or not, this party is good for the future, make the future of the country or not, all discussion will be there. Okay, but election campaign is not limited to these 2 weeks only. Political parties start preparing for election months before they actually take place. कि earlier they 2 week fixed by your election commission. Okay, but earlier they meet their own ground कि how we will won the election, how we will win the election. Okay, and what type of slogan they have given earlier, you listen about that. Modi in first tenure, Modi give the slogan अच्छे दिन आएंगे. ओके, कि बाय डेट दिस स्लोगन आल्सो अट्रैक्ट अस कि इफ ही सेड टू अस दैट अच्छे दिन आएंगे, इट मीन गुड डेज आर कमिंग, एंड व्हाई वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव द वोट टू मोदी. ओके, दैट्स द रीजन, एंड अट्रैक्टिव स्लोगन गिवन बाय योर पार्टीज आल्सो कि दे वांट टू अट्रैक्ट द पब्लिक to that issue and get them to vote for their party on that basis. Okay, they have given Gribi Hatao. Indira Gandhi given the slogan Gribi Hatao in 1971. Okay, slogan given by Congress and promised to reorient all policies of the government to remove poverty from India. And one slogan given by your Janata Party when your Lok Sabha election was there 1977, Janata Party given save democracy, because in 1975 there was a emergency implemented by Congress government ओके एंड जब एमरजेंसी लगती है ऑन डेट टाइम ऑल राइट्स were snatched by the government, all rights snatched by the government. And when our rights snatched on that time, your Janata Party said to the people that now democracy is in a danger zone and we have to save the democracy, we will save the democracy. Then they give the slogan save democracy. Okay, party promised to undo the access committee during emergency and restore civil liberties कि your all rights have snatched by if our country will our government will come, our party frame a government on that time we will give the rights to the people in emergency, all rights snatched by the government. Okay, land to tiller कि left front use the slogan land to tiller in the West Bengal Assembly कि in West Bengal Assembly in 1977 they give the left front. ओके दे गिव द स्लोगन कि लैंड टू टिलर, जिनके पास लैंड है वी विल गिव द प्रोवाइड द लैंड टू देम एंड यू गिव अस वोट, इफ वी यू विल गिव द वोट देन वी विल गिव द लैंड टू द टिलर एंड प्रोटेक्ट द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द तेलुगुज. एन.टी. रामाराव, leader of Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh Assembly election in 1983, he gives the slogan protect the self respect of the Telugus कि तेलुगु की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है इन आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके एंड इफ यू गिव अस द वोट particular party then we will protect your self respect in your state as well as the country. Okay, all these are the slogan given by your political party. Okay, best to leave political parties and candidates free to conduct their election campaign the way they want, but it is sometimes necessary to regulate campaign to ensure that every political party and candidate get fair and equal chance. Okay, these are the and you do that and tomorrow I will see that ki what type of I will send you video or take your class. Okay, thank you.